Hi friends, I'm here to give you a small short video about a really cool plugin called the DSM V3 DSP. It's was made by a very kind of supposedly very known and genius guy that designed also the inflator plugin. And this plugin is very special. I had it for a while. I even used it on one track, but I never really gave it so much attention. And today I just kind of decided to pull it up and check it out. And it's not gonna be. I'm not going to go through every possibility inside, but in general, it's a very quick to use, intuitive plugin. Which does something very special. It's basically let's first hear it, okay, and then I will explain what it does. But this is before the processing. Now it's with. I'm gonna take it for the part with some vocals. By the way, this track is it's a demo that is going to be used by a drummer. When I'm going to record the drums on top of this demo, so it's not yet the final voices and also guitars and everything. I'm just gonna replace it all. But yeah, so I just wanted to give it to the drummer, like a little bit of something that is a bit kind of glued, so like the rhythm could accompany that. It's going to be fun to play on. It's nice to give your musicians a good playback to play on. Okay.
Seeing what it was to see the light, see the light.
Without.
Seeing what it was to see the light, see the light.
So
gold to be, gold.
This is with.
Seems to feel one love.
This is without.
Gold to be. Seems to feel.
This is with.
One love, one heart.
It kind of gives the whole thing a bit of a uplift, and it's kind of balancing everything, and it's a really cool compressor. So like, what you can see here is that there is like this curve, and this curve is actually it's kind of like a multi-band basically, where you have like 3 bands that you can fine tune from here as well. You decide where you want to have them, and then you let the DSM capture. You press capture, and you let the DSM listen to your song, and it kind of adjusts it in a way so when the compressor works, and it's like it's one compressor basically, but with this kind of multi-band shape, then instead of just like choking on the bass or choking on the and changing the whole timbre of the audio track, it's lets you like set different kind of areas, different thresholds for different for different bands, and in that way it really like helps you create like a very kind of punchy and clear sound, maintaining the transient of each range. So let's just do it together. Take a section here.
Gold to be.
This one is.
You are just a warrior.
Okay, I'm taking this and I'm pressing capture while I play. It's like a press and play. If I leave it, it's out. So
you are just a warrior, following cold.
Okay, and I just left it. I kind of found an average of what I like, and then I'm just setting this like a compressor with the ratio, gain, attack, release, knee, and there's 2 of these timing of the low frequency and the high frequencies. And what I noticed is when it's kind of give you more breath, either in the lows, either in the highs. I kind of like my lows controlled. This is just kind of my taste, I guess, but the high frequencies, I like them to be kind of more breathing, and I like to feel the intimacy. Again, this is not a mix, right? We're talking about some kind of a demo that goes into a recording of drums, but still, why not having it like solid?
You are just a warrior.
Without.
intuition,
without,
call to bring,
with.
seems to feel what.
Anyway, that's kind of what I just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty amazing. It's really worth it. I mean, quick mixes, quick, results. Very nice. Just I will put a link down below. You can check it out. Recommend it dearly from me to you, and have a wonderful week. And remember, creation is what it's all about. Till next time, see you.
You are just a